Crispy roast pork shoulder with juicy and buttery soft meat inside. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Arwina and today we are making a super simple roast pork shoulder with the crispiest crackling. No scoring, no boiling, no overnight drying. Just a few ingredients, slow cooking and a little patience. Make sure to watch until the end of the video for all the tips and tricks. Let's cook! First, make sure to pat the meat really dry before the seasoning. This is the #1 secret for perfect crackling. The drier the skin, the crispier the crackling. Place onions, carrot, and garlic in a roasting pan. Then add liquid into the bottom of the pan. Lower the oven and roast the pork uncovered for 1.5 hours. While the pork is in the oven, let's make the gravy. Heat the saucepan over medium, add onion, oil and water, cook until the onions are soft. After 1.5 hour roasting, take out the pork and adjust the meat to make the skin as level as possible. This helps the skin crackle evenly. Then cook the meat for another 45 to 60 minutes. For super crispy crackling, increase oven temperature and roast until the skin is bubbly and crunchy. Loosely cover the meat with foil and rest for 20 to 30 minutes before slicing. Meanwhile, let's finish making the gravy. Keep the juice from the roast, skim the fat and strain the vegetable. Add the garlic to the cooked onions, then cook until golden and caramelized. Then add the beef paste, boiling water, and gravy mix. Simmer until the gravy is thick. Now, the moment of truth. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed cooking video with us today. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next deliciousness.